G'day ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and everyone in between. Welcome to howtoplay.thesax.com. My name is Matthew. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me for here in this lesson. And in this lesson today, we are going to get our Ned Starks. We are going to get our Sancerre Starks. We're going to get our Daenerys and our Joffreys. Actually, no, we won't get our Joffreys on. Joffrey was not a nice person. We don't like him. But Ned Stark, Lady Stark, Daenerys, until she went a little bit nuts at the end. Game of Thrones. Have you got a dragon handy? If you have a dragon, if you can breathe fire into your saxophone, then ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Dothraki and all Northerners, wildlings, let's just get into the Game of Thrones theme song. Game of Thrones theme song, really cool. It's got a whole heap of cellos. The main instrument is a cello. Now, I don't know about you, I can't play the cello. My daughter plays the cello beautifully. I've had a go of her cello and yeah, I can hack out some bad stuff. But that's not the point here. Here at howtoplay.thesax.com, we're all about playing saxophones. So let us translate the Game of Thrones theme song onto our alto saxophones in this lesson. So, how does it go? I hear you cry. I hear you cry. Keep away from the dragons. Watch out for dragons. Put your swords down. Pick up your saxophones. It sounds like this. And it does that a couple of times, and it does it slightly differently the third time. How's that? Does that sound familiar? Hopefully it does. Game of Thrones, I've really enjoyed it. It's really good. The first 7 seasons were great. The 8th season, meh, didn't really do much for me with the ending, but that's not the point. The point is the music is just wonderful. It's got these big drums, lots of cellos, lots of strings, and now lots of saxophones. Okay, so let's break it down like we usually do. Just have a listen to the first little bit. It sounds like... Let's just do that. La, 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 la. So those notes, starting on an E. E with the register key. E, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and the register key thumb at the back. E, down to A. Drop the register key, down to an A with 2 fingers, 1, 2. So let's start again. E, A. Then we go to C, D with the register key, E. So those notes again. E, A, C, D, E. Let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Let us continue. So we've got the first beat, la, 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 la. Then it repeats that little, it goes to an A again. Down to an A. C, D, B. So the second little bit, starting on our A without the register key, A, C, D with the register key, down to B without the register key. So again, this little bit, just have a listen. Join in with me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Great. Let's do this whole line. Let's do the whole line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is good. Hopefully there's not too much fire coming out just yet. Hopefully your sword is still unbloodied. Don't kill people with swords while you're playing the saxophone. Second line sounds like... D, G, C, B, D, G, C, B, A. Let's play the second line together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool, this is good. Let's put those two lines together. Let's put those two lines together. First line and the second line. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome, cool, this is good. Part 2 is very similar. Part 2 of the song is very similar. This song has 3 separate parts. We've just done the first part. The second part is very, very similar. The first line of the second part is exactly the same. The second line of the second part, slightly different. Just have a listen. D, G, B, C, B, G, A. One more time. D with the register key, G without the register key, keep the register key off, B, C, B, G, A. Let's try that together. Let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With the tonguing, be subtle with the tonguing, be gentle with the tonguing. Not like in previous lessons where we talked about funk. We did a previous lesson just recently with James Brown and Cold Sweat. We're not doing that. The James Brown Cold Sweat was very short, crisp notes. Bop, 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 bop. We're not doing that here. We're doing, this is called legato. Legato is smooth. Legato is an Italian term, Italian musical term for smooth and melodious. We don't need to know musical theory. We don't get into musical theory here at howtoplaythesax.com, but the idea is there in this example. Smooth. We're not banging our heads. It's all nice and beautifully smooth. Okay, let's play the whole song. Pop your swords down. Don't get blood on the carpet, because I don't know about you, but here at my house, blood on the carpet, it's just not a good thing. It's not good for matrimonial bliss. So pop your swords down, adjust your armor if you need to. Let's play the whole song. Here we go. Are you ready? Here it comes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Here we go. Ready, set, now. And we'll repeat now. Part 2 of the song. Now. How did you go? How did you go? I love this song. It's really, really cool. The TV show is not bad either, but ultimately, I love the song. I just do. I really like this one. It's big. I need to go and get my armor because I should have worn it today. So apologies for not wearing my armor for this particular song, but I encourage you, pop on your armor. Try not to smite too many of your neighbors, because most of your neighbors are probably really nice. But again, if there's marauding hordes, if there's kind of white walkers, there you go. White walkers, if you see a white walker, if you see the undead, go your hardest. Smite as much as you like. Keep your saxophones out of the way. Saxophones are not good weapons. Swords are, but saxophone actually is a better weapon of choice because we can make beautiful music together. Did you see what I did there? I translated from violence to music, and I think I got away with it. I'll shut up now. Thank you for joining me. Go and feed your dragon, and I'll see you in the next lesson here at How to Play the Sax. We will have more fun, we will play more saxophone, we will be awesome, and we'll repeat. I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone in between. Thanks heap for joining me in this free saxophone lesson. Please, just want to remind you, if you are looking for the full lesson, we've left a little bit out of this lesson you've just done. If you're looking for the full lesson, please become a member at howtoplaythesax.com, and I'll see you inside the members area for this full lesson and many, many, many others. I'll see you at howtoplaythesax.com. My name is Matthew. Thank you. I'll see you in another lesson.